Hi class, today's lesson is duration of events, which basically means how long things go for. We've previously covered some of this content at school when we estimated the duration of various things like writing your name, singing happy birthday, etc. I think someone even estimated and timed how many sit-ups they could do. So this lesson is kind of a continuation on from that. Various events go for different durations of time. We're going to look at ordering these events from shortest to longest. So what takes the least amount of time to what takes the most amount of time. So if we think of our units of time, the smallest unit we've got, or that we're going to look at today, is seconds, then minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. Here are various events that take different amounts of time to complete. So if we wanted to compare the duration from shortest to longest, I think the easiest thing to do is work out what units of time we would measure them in or time them in. So to take a photograph, that's just going to be seconds. I think it would be like about 1 second to take a photo, not including all the posing and stuff, just actual photograph. Have a bath, that would be measured in minutes. So I'm not sure, it might be about 45 minutes. Go to India on an aeroplane. I'm not sure exactly how long the flight is. It might be about 6 or 7 hours. We'll say 7. Sleep all night. So let's say you're getting about, maybe you're getting about 8 hours sleep, 9 hours. I'm not sure what you're supposed to get. We'll say 8 hours. Read a book. Depending on how long the book is, that might be also hours, so it might take you maybe 3 hours. Sharpen a pencil, that's going to be seconds, it might take you about 30 seconds. And paint a picture, that's going to be minutes, so it might take you about 30 minutes to paint the picture. So now that we've worked out the units of time, it's easy to order them from the shortest to the longest duration. So we can see that the shortest is the take a photograph, then it's to sharpen the pencil, next paint the picture. So I'm just working first through from seconds to minutes to hours, and that's all we go up to here. And then we've got the bath, the book, the plane, and then the all-night sleep. So this is the first question from the worksheet today. You've just got to drag the pictures into order of duration, quickest to longest. So the first thing I would do would be to work out the units of time that would be measured in. So a holiday at the beach. Well, you might spend weeks. You might spend maybe 2 weeks down at the beach. Make a sandwich. That's just going to take a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Watch a movie. Movies usually go for about 2 hours. Tell a joke. Maybe 30 seconds. A season to change. Well, it takes about 3 months for the seasons to change. From summer to autumn to winter to spring. And smell a rose. Well, that's only going to take you about, 5 seconds to bend down and smell the rose. So now that we've got these units of time, it then makes it easy to order them from quickest to longest. So the quickest would be obviously the rose. So that would go over here, the rose. You can just drag and drop them on the Word document. Then it would be the joke. Then the sandwich. Next it would be the movie. beach holiday. What number am I up to? 5. And then season change. I'll just write season. So that's how you'll do these for the worksheet. And the last questions are looking at the duration of time to cook pizzas. So you've got to work out what time pizzas will be ready at. For example, the first square. So I've ordered a Hawaiian, and so the time now is 4:15, and the cooking time is 15 minutes. So that's the duration it takes to cook. So what time will a pizza be ready at? So you need to add that time onto the time now. So 4:15 plus 15 minutes, it'll be ready at 4:30. Tyra's pizza, time now is 5 and the duration is 30 minutes, so it will be ready at 5:30. So just go through and add the time, and that is all. Could you please complete the worksheet and submit it to my Panola?